Hey up YouTubers, how are we? All still on lockdown. I'll get another bike out of the garage. This is an ER125 1979 fully restored model, the same as I had when I was 17. If you'd like to know a bit of history about it and like to hear it running, stick around and stay tuned. Here we go YouTubers, this Suzuki TS ER125, registered in 1980. Wasn't built by me, it was built by a guy called David Powell that lives down in Shrewsbury in Shropshire. I bought it off him a couple of years ago. He's done an awesome job on it, hasn't he? Let's have a little bit of a history lesson about the TS125. This was first introduced for the Japanese home market in December 1970. A single cylinder enduro bike, and it had 13 brake horsepower. The American version was called the Duster, but as you can see here, which is the Japanese version, the Hustler, with its close-fitting mudguard, which made it more suitable for roads or perhaps dry trails than terrain. The 1972 TS was basically the same bike, but had 5 different rides on it. The rear shocks adjusted 5 ways, and the enduro-type front forks adjusted 3 ways. The 73, 74 and 75 model were basically the same bike again, but they brought out different colours. The 76 model was introduced and now upgraded to 14 brake horsepower instead of the 13. Then in 1978 the TS125 exhaust pipe was drawn above the engine instead of below. Then in 1980 Suzuki introduced the new TS125 ER. This updated bike had a more powerful reed valve engine with improved low rev torque and a 6-speed gearbox. Also the suspension had a longer travel and the range swinging arm is now made out of aluminium. And in 1984 it was a complete game changer. The TS125ER was replaced by the TS125X, and it was a totally new model with a more powerful liquid cooled engine, full float suspension and 22.3 horsepower 2-stroke engine. With a history lesson out of the way, how many of you would like to hear it running? Not a bad little bike, is it? In the ER125. I had one of those when I was 17, that's why I bought it. I've got all the 3 bikes I had when I first started riding motorcycles from the age of 16. Did anybody spot the mistake on that ER125? Comment down below if you've spotted it. Some of you may have seen it, some of you may know what I'm talking about. Comment down below, see if you know. If you don't, I'll tell you next week. Thanks for watching today. Hope you've enjoyed it. Anything you'd like to comment about, please comment down below. Don't forget, if you're watching these videos and you quite like them, press that subscribe button and ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you'll get a notification. So, thanks for watching, and as they say, keep safe, and we'll see you soon.